Hey everybody, welcome back to Highlights at Home. Now, just because the 2020 Summer Olympic Games have been postponed doesn't mean your family can't get its game on. That's the theme of this new collection of free digital Fun with a Purpose resources. Your young athletes, perhaps your whole family, will enjoy a backyard Olympics event, and we've made it easy to plan. We've included an article here with 10 suggestions for backyard Olympic activities inspired by real Olympic Games. So imagine your family having a little friendly competition with wiffle ball golf, or maybe fencing with pool noodles. Lace up your shoes and join in the fun. And why not plan an awards ceremony for afterward? You can get out the art supplies and let your kids make medals, and you can find a recording at the national anthem and really have a good time. And because the Olympics were supposed to be held in Japan, we've included a recipe here for a snack that Japanese children love. I think it's simple enough that your kids could make it with just a little supervision from you. And why not take this opportunity to teach your children something about Olympic history? We've included a very informative, inspiring article here called Miles from Home, and it's the story of Louis Tewanima, a 1912 Olympic medal winner. This article will open up interesting conversations with your kids about persevering through hardship, and also some conversation about some of the struggles of the Native Americans. I hope you will enjoy this new pack-up. Stay healthy, stay hopeful, have fun. We'll be back in a few days with more free resources. Take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-Ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.